Learning about cheese has led me elsewhere in a lot of ways, really, really fast. It's led me to go to places like Vermont, places that I had never been before. It's opened up an entire world. You know, I went to France, I went to London because of my love for cheese, and that would have never happened if I would have started in cheese. My name is Robert Boucher. I go by Bobby. I'm a cheesemonger. Today we're at the fulfillment center. We're packaging and getting ready for shipments to go out to our Cheese of the Month Club people and all of our customers around the United States that love our cheese. We're packaging it up, moving it down the line, and shipping it out. We're at the Cellars working with Windermere, which is our washed rind spruce wrap seasonal cheese. Uses only winter milk and provides like a really kind of like funky, natural flavor of what winter Vermont has to offer. Only using winter milk and being washed in a brine brings out a lot of like natural earthy flavors. And we're washing it today. The ASLF apprenticeship affected my path in a lot of ways. The world of cheese is so big. It really, like, as a young, fairly new cheesemonger, you know, I've only been in the industry for about a year, but it really shows me how much time and effort goes into things. And so what that has done is it gets my brain working. It gets my brain working on where's next, what can I learn, where can I go? And ASLF is like the absolute perfect organization to do that. They support cheesemongers, they support young professionals, and they just give you everything you need to succeed. So as a cheesemonger, I sell a lot of Cabot cloth-bound cheddar, and it's really interesting to be here in the Cheddar Cave and kind of see the difference between a early kind of more bloomy cheddar and then an almost ready to go out, fully formed, delicious, ready to eat cheddar. I spent a lot of time wrapping and tending to these cheddar wheels. You know, a staggering 35 pounds is nothing light to throw around, and wrapping them is kind of a heavy job. So it was always a workout. It was a great time. So here we have the Alpine Cave. And these are gonna be Whitney and Alpha Tolman, so mountain style cheeses. And I worked in a vault over to wash these at their kind of younger state. And now they sit here and have like a long life on these big wooden racks to create flavor and time, and it just becomes the cheese that you guys eat today. To work with the Jasper Hill crew has been absolutely amazing. Everyone has been so friendly, and I think anyone who has been to Vermont can kind of attest to the fact that everyone here is just so nice. To anybody, you know, I'm an outsider. I've only been in cheese for a little bit, and to like be accepted with such open arms by such a tight-knit community was very powerful. You know, day to day, I felt very welcomed. I didn't feel like I was in anybody's way. I didn't feel unwanted in any way, and I think it shows in their love for cheese. It shows in their love for people, their love for science. All things good, I think, show up here. Walking back into Jasper Hill Farm today was just electric. Like, being here so briefly and then being taken back in with such open arms, everyone being excited to see me, like, I just couldn't ask for a better homecoming. Like, it just felt like so much love.